Alright, this is part 2 of the Flagstone restoration for the ground stabilization patio we have going. We just pressure washed the one side and they came out, I think, very, very clean. Very happy with them. We did use a cleaner. We used a lot of this restoration cleaner that we scrubbed on there with the scrub brush first and let it soak in, and that really helped. And of course, all these little ones, they soaked in a 55-gallon drum for 2 weeks, so that helped with those. I still got to flip those. It takes longer to flip those than these because there's so many of them, but we're getting it slowly but surely. Very happy with the results. This is going to be a very unique, awesome patio. Alright, thanks for watching and be looking out for part 3.